गाजियाबाद पब्लिक स्कूल के संस्थापक श्री CS यादव जी की पुण्यतिथि पर मैं उनको शत शत नमन करती हूँ और श्रद्धांजलि के रूप में मैं उनको कुछ पंक्तियाँ समर्पित करना चाहती हूँ। पुण्यतिथि पर करे समर्पित ये शब्द पुष्प उपहार, निसंदेह स्वर्ग में हो तुम विनती है करना स्वीकार। माधुर्य पूर्ण स्वभाव था उनका, थे वे चतुर बहुत महान, कोई नहीं अनजान है उनसे, ये संस्था है उनकी पहचान। दुर्भाग्य हमारा हुई रिक्तता, चहु और है सोनापन, निस्दिन आती याद आपकी, नहीं रहा है अपनापन। और अंत में मैं श्री CS यादव जी को शत शत नमन।
पहले तो सर को मेरा कोटि कोटि नमन। मैं श्रद्धा कुलश्रेष्ठ। मैंने 1998 में अपने कैरियर की शुरुआत की थी, तो सर ही मेरे सबसे पहले प्रोफेशनल गुरु हैं। यहीं से मैंने अपना कैरियर स्टार्ट किया था। सर की बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज़ हैं, जिसमें से सर बहुत सपोर्टिव थे, जिसे मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है। इसके अलावा सर की एक और बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी थी, काम को लगातार करते रहना। उनका मानना था द शो मस्ट गो ऑन एंड दिस शो द GPS इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन गोइंग ऑन गोइंग ऑन वेरी हाई विद प्राइड।
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Anukriti Khera and I'm deeply honored and feeling nostalgic recording this video. So many things about the director sir I miss and remember, the way he used to participate at the annual day rehearsals and he used to watch and enjoy throughout. Because of him, school gained so much popularity and students received so many opportunities. My journey being so beautiful, having its own triumphs and struggle and yet unique in many ways. And all credit goes to loving ma'am Krishna Yadav, Rekha ma'am, Amit sir, Seema ma'am and nonetheless Geeta ma'am, who taught us how our body functions, the biology. School time changes our life emotionally and professionally. I am soon going to join multinational company in Canada, which means a lot to me and this wouldn't be possible without all of them. So guys, learn the most and live it fullest. सपने देखो पूरे भी होंगे, मैंने करके देखा है।
The best way to remember a teacher is through his teachings. यादव सर taught us, बार बार पढ़िए, लिख लिख के याद कीजिए, सिंगल पॉइंट एजेंडा है, मार्क्स अच्छे आने चाहिए। We thought he was preparing us for board exams, but the same values of repetitive practice, discipline and result orientation are what hold us good today as professionals and as people as we grow in our lives. Thank you to Yadav sir. I hope wherever he is looking at us very happily and very proud of the legacy that he has left behind. Thanks a lot to you sir for everything that.
I'm Priya Kulshresht. I joined GPS back in year 1998 as a standard 3 kid. This is when I first met Yadav sir. He always used to tell us कि बेटा लिख लिख के याद करो in his morning speeches and keep reminding us about that. This is something which has always stayed with me throughout my education. As a kid, as a school student, we always feel that it is just for moral teachings, but we got to know its importance as and when we grow in our careers. I hope the legacy continues and GPS be where Yadav sir has ever dreamt of and even far more than that.
I'm Hina from 2010 Commerce batch. There are many incidences I wanted to share about great soul director sir. It was, I remember it was 15th October 2009. I have seen director sir in morning assembly. I wished him good morning and I went back to my class. I was preparing for my 11th standard final examination and after 10 a.m. this sad news came that this had happened. Director sir left us like this. It was so shocking, so shocking. He was such a pure soul. He was very disciplined man, you know. एक एक बच्चे को जाकर पर्सनली करेक्ट करना, डिसिप्लिन करना एंड मॉर्निंग में इतनी अच्छी स्पीच देते थे डायरेक्टर सर टू बूस्ट अप द एंटायर डे. ही वॉज अ पर्सन लाइक अर्ली टू बेड एंड अर्ली टू राइज. कितनी भी सर्दी हो जाए, इतना फॉग होता था उस टाइम में एंड डायरेक्टर सर वॉज देयर. मेरा घर पास में ही है तो वॉक के लिए जैसे जाते थे, डायरेक्टर सर वॉज देयर. सर्दी पड़ रही है, फॉग हो रहा है, बट डायरेक्टर सर वॉज देयर. वाई? टू to make hostelers punctual, to bring them in discipline. This is what a director sir was. And I believe the people we love are never dead until we forgotten them. तो ये जो मुहिम है GPS फैमिली की, to remember director sir on their birthdays and on the death anniversary is the very good initiative to pay him tribute. I remember 15th January उनका birthday होता था. I went in an office once. I was in 6th standard. तो चॉकलेट लेके मैं पहुंच गई वहाँ ऑफिस में. डायरेक्टर सर ने बहुत अच्छी स्माइल दी एंड ही कॉल द बेल बॉय और उन्होंने जो मेरी चॉकलेट थी उससे बड़ी चॉकलेट मंगाई एंड ही गिवन मी दैट चॉकलेट एंड कार्ड ऑल्सो विच आई एम हैविंग नाउ ऑल्सो. अभी तक है वो कार्ड मेरे पास. ही इज़ a father figure to me. Trust me.
The teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. Hello everyone, I am Sucheta Arora of 2006 batch, speaking about one such great teacher, Mr. C.S. Yadav. Sir taught us physics. I remember how he made such difficult concepts easier and simpler to understand. He used to always say, write and write, then only you can learn. Due to this, concepts taught by him are still fresh in my mind. I take this opportunity to thank him for being an inspiration to all.
He is dedicated to late C.S. Yadav, who was the owner of Azimut School. I want to thank him for all the support he's given us during the school days. Especially जो उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका था, it was tremendous. The way he used to interact with the students and motivate them was awesome. I still remember जब भी हम लोग कुछ अच्छा स्कोर करते थे या whenever we were getting some good ranks or winning some Olympiads or something, he used to award us and keep us motivated so that हम आगे perform कर सकें. So thank you so much sir for all the support.
Sir always taught us to study hard and achieve greater heights. He always motivated us to have big ambitions and work towards it. I still remember he always rewarded a student with 100 rupees as a token of appreciation who outperformed in the field of arts, sports, Olympiads, etc. He is still and will continue to inspire us in every act, thought and decision we make in our life. In the end, I must say, a great soul like him will always serve everyone and never dies. It brings us together again and again. Thank you.
नमस्कार. गाजियाबाद पब्लिक स्कूल के एलुमनाई होने के नाते मैं आप सभी के साथ हमारे बड़े सर की पुण्यतिथि पर उनकी सिखाई हुई 3 बातें शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. पहली चीज़ जो उन्होंने हमें सिखाई वो थी परिश्रम करना, दूसरी अनुशासन और तीसरी एकाग्रता. ये तीनों ही चीज़ें जो उन्होंने हमें सिखाई, मैं चाहती हूँ आप सब भी उन्हें अपनी ज़िंदगी में मन में लाएं और अपनी ज़िंदगी की सफलता सुनिश्चित.
I am Mohini Sharma, the alumni of GPS School of Batch 2009. My journey is very beautiful in this school, from nursery to class 12th, and that because of our dear director sir. After my PG, I had done B.Ed from this institute only, and then started working over here after that as a science teacher. As we all know, on 15th of October, that is our director sir death anniversary. The personality I admire the most is none other than our beloved director sir. The life of him has been an inspiration for me. He was an epitome of many virtues, dedication, kind-hearted, and especially punctual attitude. He also belongs to the class of unforgettable personality who have left an eternal blazed trail after their passing away. His entire life has been an inspiration. He always says that I can do it, we can do it. Whatever I am today, the only credit goes to you, sir. You was the only person who teaches every time to respect each and every person, and that works as a guru mantra in my life. I will never ever forget you. 2 लाइन गाने की याद आ रही है, वो गाना चाहूंगी. चिट्ठी न कोई संदेश, जाने वो कौन सा देश, जहाँ तुम चले गए, जहाँ तुम चले गए. At last, but not the least, will always miss you, sir. Will always miss you. Thank you.